Hi, good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are all fine. Thank you for joining today. So, as usual, it's about to get to our time. Let's just pay attention to a couple of things that I've got to say so that we can proceed. Okay. Okay. So, if you look at Delhi, Delhi is bearish. We don't have time anymore for this, but I'm going to rush it. Delhi is looking bearish, but then we are not without price going to perhaps retest above here. And then 1 hour, 4 hours is somehow bearish, and it has broken the low of the previous 4 hours, but the momentum is not much there. There's no momentum. I can't see any momentum there. And then I look at 1 hour. I see that 1 hour has reverted. It has reversed, flipped around. What the question now is it going to flip backwards and keep going down? We don't know, right? So we need to find out shortly. 30 minutes is perhaps going to clear out this area and keep pushing down. So let's just go to 15 minutes and see quickly. 15 minutes, I think price may likely touch this area and reverse or continue going down. So let's see what volume brings into the market right now. Okay, the volume is already in. Let's see what volume brings into the market. Okay, let's see. And looking at the lines I have on my screen already, you can clearly see, you can clearly see that price either is going to hit here and reverse or hit here and reverse. Okay, but it doesn't mean that we're not going to see something like this, some slash like this, right? So let's see how this works out. Let's see how it works out. Let us see how it works out. Okay. Let us see. So man, I don't see any volume. This is volume time, but I see no volume. Why, guys? Does anybody know the reason behind this? Volume time, but there's no volume, right? Volume time, but there is no volume. Let's wait and see what happens. If we don't get any reasonable move in the next 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, then we can call it a day. Okay, we can end the stream and come back at before news because we have core retail sales today. Look at the news we've got today. We have a very important news today, so we want to be a part of that move, right? We come back before the news release and take some trades. Okay. Okay, Euro USD on the other hand, I don't want to talk about this. I'm hoping to get for price to romance here. If you romance this here, that is price is gonna gather some momentum from this zone. So it's still trying making attempts, a lot of that attempts to touch this zone, but it has failed. Look at this. Attempt 1, 2, and 3, but none of them have succeeded. Right. So let's see what it has in stock. Yes, I love what I see, guys. I love what I see. Why is this move happening? Let's see why it's happening. Let's see. Second. Nice. So this has been corrected completely. Now that we have this, I could say that we are gonna buy above here. Okay, that is if it's something reasonable for us to do, and use 25 pips stop loss. See, is this making any? Yeah, it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. 25 pips stop loss, and look, target in somewhere. I think my target for today is actually 200 something. Yeah, 213 pips. But then we have to be very careful to take profits intermittently at 60, 100, and 200 as well. Okay, let's see. I believe this is actually some sort of U-turn. If it doesn't work out, fine. I mean, it's not been triggered, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's not been triggered. So if it doesn't work out, we cancel. This is what I think is going to happen. If it doesn't work out, we call it quit. Because let's look at 15 minutes one more time just to get some good confirmation. Now, in all these moves that happen here, what is the most recent wave? The most recent wave here, the I see is this wave, because after this wave comes this wave, right? Let's see first of all if this wave was corrected. It was corrected, but not completely. For me, not according to my own strategy. It wasn't completely corrected. So I'm not going to add that as a correction. So the next wave that happened is this candle here swiped through. And of course, after this swipe through, it's a breakout, right? We needed to have some sort of retest around here for price to continue moving up. And that retest actually completed now. Now go back to 1 minute and see. That retest actually completed just now. It just got completed and swiped up, showing us that it's ready to move. So we have set some order to open position above at this level. I'm just going to give you guys the price tags. Okay, these are the price tags for our levels. Okay, these are the price tags, the important levels where we need to consider. These are them. Okay, so let's see how this works out now. Nice, nice. I hope I have set my position order. Let's see. Yes. Yes, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. That's nice, guys. That's beautiful. We're in. Big question, is it going to continue to move in our direction? And of course, show us everything we have said. We don't know, guys. We don't know. So that is why you have to make sure you're using proper risk management. If you have open positions that risk more than you can afford to lose, I'm going to advise you to make sure you close some, because the fact that we have high win rate does not mean that we don't make mistakes, right? So we may as well make mistake, because nobody's perfect. Not we making mistake, but we can be wrong. It's not a case of mistakes, but we can be wrong as well. Okay. So that's all I've got to say. Let's observe and see how price gives us our profits. Whether we're going to take profit or we're going to record stop loss hits. Okay. Okay, that's a huge stuff we're targeting today, but it's actually very achievable. I just wish this could actually happen through in this live stream, so that we can go home smiling completely. Uh push, push up, push up, push up, push up, man. You don't need to calm down. Come on. What are you coming down for? Keep pushing. Euro USD. I hope yes. You see what I told you guys. It's just a case of experience. It's a matter of experience, guys. Told you guys, price is heading for this area, because this zone is a very important zone. It needs to retest this zone, but then it's difficult to test it. It has attempted a lot of times, and finally it has hit the zone. So now we look out for entries. Now we look out for what price is going to do. Of course, I opened the position already there in Euro USD, but then I don't know. I just hope price does not go ahead to hit my stop loss. That's all I'm hoping for. That's all I'm hoping for, guys. That's all I'm hoping for. I'm hoping. I'm hoping. I'm hoping. Oh my God, what is price doing? Damn. Okay, Euro USD. I don't think you like me to stream you live, so I better take my Euro USD business home and do it privately, right? Oh, price is still dropping on Euro USD, while NAS German index is going up. Euro USD is still slicing through, slicing through, slicing through. So let's see how it's gonna react now. Really, sometimes you will feel maybe you are wrong, maybe you are right with this strategy, but then you just have to trust your guts, and trust the strategy, trust the process, trust every single thing, and hope that you're right. I mean, if you're wrong, it's okay. Once you have proper risk management, you'll be fine. I mean, no rush. Okay, 16 pips so far, 16 pips in profits for NAS. I'm sorry, German index. Wow, price is heading for my stop loss here. That's unfortunate. That's so painful. Even though I know price is actually supposed to go up, but then what to do? I know price is actually supposed to go up, but I don't know what it has in stock. Okay, okay. I see some changes. I see some changes. I just want to see some sort of slash. I want one or two candles to take away this level. If we can take away this level, then we're good to go. It's gonna be up, up, up all the way. If we can take away this level, because that's a very strong level on its own, it's a very strong resistance on its own. Some people may say, "Oh no, 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 Euro USD is bearish." Yeah, I know. I mean, I know it's bearish, but we have our trading system, and we have to follow what price actions have directed us to follow, right? So let's see. We may, guys, just to be sure, we may see some sort of fall to grace on German index, okay, that is DAX. We may see some sort of fall to grace. Do not be worried, because for all these slashes here, they need to be corrected, right? So when the correction comes, if you cannot handle it, please close your positions, okay, because it's definitely going to come. But then after the correction comes another wave. Do not forget, price moves in waves, right? Waves, correction, wave, correction, wave, correction, wave. It goes like that, okay? Do not expect straightforward movement it's just going to jump and give you profit. It's not never going to happen. Yes, 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 guys. Yes, yes. I think I'm right. I'm right. On the Euro USD, I can see some reversal signs. Nice. I just want to see price clear here. If price can clear here for me, I will be so happy. Because, of course, you guys, you understand what I'm talking about. I mean, this trade huge. Like, I got in so huge. You know my methods. Do you want me to share my screen? Oh no, I don't want you guys to laugh at me when these things doesn't work. If it doesn't work, then you guys will say, "Hey, so this guy lost this amount of money today. Oh my god." That's the way it works. It's never straightforward. It's never straightforward. You just have to, put in efforts and make sure you're doing the right thing. Once you're convinced that you're doing the right thing, brother, forget it. You're gonna make money. Okay. Just understand what you're doing. See, I told you guys, German index is slicing down, it's pushing down, it's pushing down. So if you cannot handle this push, better exit now. You are in profit already. You are in massive profits already. So if you cannot handle this little pullback correction, then you need to quit. You need to exit now, because already we are already in more than 30 pips profit, right? So we're already in 40. We have already moved 40 pips, right? So I'm going to move my stop loss to break even at 131 131.10 13110. Okay, at that level I'm going to move my stop loss to break even and close 50%. Then I'm going to try others close at this level. I'm going to close additional 30%, and then I'm going to leave 30%. If it plays around here, then I could just close 20% and leave 10 to hit TP. If you expect the 100% of your positions to hit TP, you are just playing with your emotions. You are playing with your heart. I'm telling you the truth. You have to close. You may be seeing Euro USD as bearish, but then I tell you, look at 15 minutes, a lot of noise, guys. There's the reason why there is some sort of level, there is high level of uncertainty here between this area and here so far. Okay, is because of this noise. You can see what happened here. You don't expect this to happen, and for price to come and just scare through here. It has to halt the price and toss the price around before price is able to break it. And second reason why even this happened in the first place is because of this, right? So we just have to take cognizance of this impact of effects of wick and respect them appropriately. Sometimes when I analyze, my mind does not come to effects of weak until I'm beginning to lose. When I see, oh, there was weak rejection, there is weak rejection here, I'm not supposed to have opened the position. At that moment, I'm going to close with losses and take my loss and then replan again, giving weeks proper recognition. Oh, nice. I like what I see. I like what I see, guys. It's awesome. It's awesome, guys. It's moving. Nice, nice, nice. It's beautiful. Like I said, if you cannot handle this fall that is going to come now, this corrective wave that's going to come now, okay, I expect to see. Let me show you guys where I expect price to go, and at that point, I'm going to add more positions to my position, okay, to my trade. If you cannot handle price to drop to your entry, time is now. Leave now, leave now, leave now. Okay. If you've taken any position on Euro USD, I have my positions open ball. If you've taken any position in Euro USD, really, I really may request you to close it because Euro USD right now is not stable in any way. Euro USD right now is not stable. But I have my positions open, but I left it open because I have applied good risk management. Okay. So because right now I have a line that I joined this morning. I think a line, coming from here. Yeah, it's possible to get broken, but then look at this. Okay. So if you look at this, you see that this line price has met this trend line. Okay. So most likely either it breaks or it comes back. And if it wants to come back, it's going to be bloody. You know what I mean? It could actually, move such that it touches this line. Okay. So you better hang on in there. That's why I'm not really considering Euro USD on this stream for now, because it is not clear. The direction is not clear. Not as if I didn't take trade with confirmation. I took trade with confirmation, which is I saw this move, this wave here. Okay, after the wave comes this corrective wave right here. When this corrective wave happened, right? It's actually hit the. Let me show you guys what I mean. It actually hit this line, right? It hit this my 50 to 61% of Fibo. So I felt perhaps it's time to get in. So I waited when price came back again to that line, I got in and it has been taking my trades up, down, up, down. Even though I've scared in a lot, I've scared in massively here. I scared in a lot here. So I expect massive profit or loss that is though is not the stop loss is below here somewhere here. My stop loss is somewhere here. So the loss is gonna be is gonna be huge, but then not as huge as not closing out, right? And of course, giving good respect to my strategy where I need to use stop loss, right? You may not see the stop loss, but then the stop loss is there. You may not see the stop loss, but the stop loss is there. When it's time to close, when the line, my stop loss line is hit, I'm gonna do just one thing: close, 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 close. That's it. I'm done. See, so it's easy, right? Euro USD is not stable now. Really, it's not stable. I wouldn't advise anyone to trade on it. In as much as I'm gonna make profits if it goes up, but then it's not stable. And if you look at this setup, you're going to be clear that this is actually reversing, right? It's reversing. But then what you don't know is what this trend line could do before the reversal comes. Because this trend line here could actually move price way down. Then in one stroke, move price down. And in the next stroke, move it to back up again. I'm saying this because I know Euro USD. Like I love Euro USD and I've mastered the way it moves. It likes to fake out. It loves to fake out a lot, a lot. Other currency pairs does it, but not like Euro USD. Trust me when I say that. If you trade Euro USD, you're gonna bear me witness that I'm not kidding about this. All right, nice profit so far on my Euro USD and German index. But German index is forming something that's giving me some worries. Now let's visit. Let's see if I have message. Sorry, I've not been to live stream to see. Hello, Michelle Kwabo. How about Euro USD? Good afternoon. Oh, it's morning here. Wow, DAX profit show. Yes, my dear, my dear, my dear. Yeah, profit is sure in that on DAX. Euro USD. Oh, Bank Nifty expert advice 100. He's requesting for Euro USD analysis. All right, all right. You saw me analyzing that, right? So I talked about I said clearly that Euro USD actually was going to come to was going to come to this level. It was struggling. It's actually struggling here in between all these places. But then I was expecting price to come here to hit this line, to some sort of romance this level. And price actually did. Price romanced this level in a great way and then broke out, right? So if you have not gotten into any position till now on Euro USD, please wait patiently. Wait patiently. Do not be in a hurry to take any loss. Okay. Do not forget, I said that I needed a price, a slice of this area, and I've gotten a slice of this area. Now, what else am I expecting? Now I'm done with this. Our business with this is gone. What I'm expecting now is what? Another move, another corrective move to the downside. Okay, that's what I'm expecting now. I'm expecting a corrective move to the downside. So now I don't have a place to place this. I don't have any place to drop this yet until I get a closure, some sort of bearish closure. Then I can drop this. If this closes bearish, then I'm going to drop this above. Okay, something just happened. What happened? What just happened? What happened just now? Does anyone have access to my charts? Did anybody hack my account, guys? Man, you guys are watching. Answer. Did you guys hack my account? What's going on right here? I can't do anything. What the hell, man? Okay. My account is intact again. Thank you, the hackers, for leaving my account. I love you guys too much. If I tell you guys how much I hate you, then I'm sure my account is going to blow today. Okay, guys. Now it's time to show you my Euro USD trade. This is my Euro USD trade. This is all buys. Okay. These are all buys. These are all buys. They're all buys. Okay. I'm in huge, massive profit right now. But then I'm not closing nothing. I'm not even moving anything to break even. I'm not moving nothing because this is actually something I'm waiting for a drop to this level, right? Then I'm gonna scale in even more. I'm going to scale in even more. Do not forget, I'm currently running a challenge to convert $1,000 to $1 million in a couple of weeks. So that challenge, that is my challenge account. Okay, so whatever happens here is all in the hands of God. But what I try to do all the time is to make sure that I'm not risking more than total of 10% of my account. Okay, that's what I'm making sure that I'm not doing to avoid some regress. Again, see what I told you guys. I expect price to come back to come down all the way. Now I have this. I have what I told you guys about. I have a level, a place to drop my Fibo point. Okay, all right. So it's going to be from this level. So we expect price to drop all the way here. Okay, if it breaks through, it means that this is a fake out. I'm going to close all my positions. Okay, if price drops and breaks through here, it means that this is a fake out. So what do I need to do? I'll close all my open positions. Okay, but if it comes here and respects this area and reverses, right, I'm going to add more positions here, then close everything. I'm not going to let it hit my take profit. I'm just going to close everything here. Okay, that is the plan that I've got. What about German index is consolidating? Okay, nice. German index is consolidating, and in this consolidation, it is forming lower lows, higher lows, right? Meaning that it might not come down to our entry anymore. In this consolidation, we can see this is a lower, higher low, and another higher low, right? So meaning that it possibly may not come back to our entry again. I don't know, man. Something is definitely wrong with my accounts. Is anybody hacking my account from the background? Guys, please leave my account. I'm streaming. What the hell, man? My computer is not responding. Why? For some reasons. Okay. Bank Nifty expert advice 100. I hope you got the analysis right. I hope the analysis is pretty much clear. Okay. And the Euro USD. Let's see. Really, I want Euro USD to push. Let's visit. Let's go back to 1 hour. Looking back at 1 hour, we're going to see there is a huge possibility actually for price to drop up to this line. So I may want to secure my position earlier than I thought. I want to secure my positions earlier than I thought and wait for price around here, because around here again, you see, around, let me draw a line that connects. See, around here you see another noise, another great noise here that's going to actually push price back once it touches this trend line. This noise here is going to push price back once it touches the trend line. So I may want to exit my trade now, guys. If I were you, I'm going to stay away from Euro USD for now until it touches this line. Okay, I didn't see this line clearly before. This line is a very important line. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to set an alarm to alert me whenever it's happening, because I may want to stay away now, because no matter what's going to happen, price may not even hit our TP. Where's our TP, by the way? Let's see. Where's our TP? Where's our TP? What's our TP? Price may not even hit our TP until it has hit this line. So what is the sense of wasting time? There's no need to waste time, guys. So guys, I expect to get a like from each and everyone that is watching this stream. If you watch without liking, it's not going to be fair. Okay, someone is advising me to check if other devices are connected to your web trading view account. Definitely nobody has my account. Nobody. I think unless someone hacked in, I don't know. Morning, what news do we have to? Oh, today someone is asking me what news. A good friend of mine is asking me what news we have today. Come on, this is the news. Core retail sales. Core retail sales. It's an amazing news. Okay, after we secure our profits, we may actually look at the previous, do I say reaction, or the previous release news, previous issues of core retail sales, and we can compare them, use them to analyze what actually may happen today, so that everyone comes prepared. You come, maybe if you are risking 1% before, if we see an opportunity based on our analysis, you can come preparing your mind to risk 2%, but not more than you can afford to lose. But if you risk more than your 10% of your account, really, I'm sorry if I'm being vulgar here or if I'm being so raw, but you're a fool. If you risk more than 10% of your account, you're a fool. Okay, guys, I think it may be time. It may be time to exit my trades on Euro USD. I'm no longer comfortable leaving the positions open. Really, I'm no longer comfortable considering the fact that M shape has formed here. M shape just formed here. I'm no longer comfortable. The next thing I may see now might be a slash. You know what I mean? When I see this M shape, I normally, take, some refuge somewhere. But then on the other note, I just wish we can actually get, I just wish this, what happened here, everything that happened here actually happened, around here. Had it been happened around here, then I would be a diehard fan of Fibo, for Fibo, for believing that price is going to hit here, but then but hoping to take my profit somewhere here, right? So I don't know. This is a very beautiful setup right here. But then for the fact that there's a line here waiting to be touched, Euro USD, it will behave normally. It's going to behave just like it was deceiving us here. It's going to behave as if it's not interested in taking, in reaching for this, for the level you want it to reach. But suddenly you're going to see it's going to reach that level, like, suddenly. And if you're not careful, it's going to cut you off. That is one thing I've learned about Euro USD. It likes to play some daily game. Okay, guys. So this is so far so good. This is my position on Euro USD. See, it's giving me some massive profit, like massive profits. My journey to $1 million really is gonna be great. I'm gonna become a dollar millionaire by my own making at my own terms. By my own making and at my own terms. I mean, nobody's going to detect that terms for me. Nobody's going to define it for me. I'm the person who's going to define it. I'm the person who's going to control it. That is called what is it called? What is it called? Okay, I forgot what it's called. Yes, I'll be on your live stream for sure. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, okay, guys. This price has hit this trend line completely, so I may wanna just close my positions. Oh, come on, we missed. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even on German index. Moving my stop loss to break even on German index because it's a very vital thing to do right now because price has hit our first level. If you remember, this is our first level. Okay, first level we are doing. Price has hit there. So what is price going to do? Price might most likely come down to this level here, play around. If it breaks this level, then it's going to come back to our entry, play around, and boom, continue going up. Okay, that is what I think price may do. I don't know if it's going to happen, guys. Please do not quote me wrong. Very important thing to do today is to join me on Telegram. Okay, very important thing to do today, guys, is to join me on Telegram. It's very important that you guys follow me on Telegram so that you get the latest updates on my challenge, on my challenge to achieve to hit $1 million in a couple of weeks. Okay, that is why you should join me. Okay, join me on Telegram. This is my Telegram handle. This is my Instagram handle, Twitter handle, TikTok handle, Trading View, YouTube. It's all the same. PPPDirhams. Okay, that is what it is. That is what it is. That is what it is, guys. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with Euro USD. Really, I'm impressed. If it breaks above this, wow, it's never gonna come back again. It's just gonna go so fast. I'm trying to see if I can download the script that's gonna help me close my positions at once. Okay, I'm gonna go on mute now. Guys, apologies. I'm closing my 250 positions. I opened 250 positions on Euro USD. 250 open positions, so I'm taking my time to close them. I'm sorry. It has to be a while. 1 second, I'll be back. Nice. I just finished closing them. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the wait, guys. You guys are the best. Actually, you guys are the best. Guys are awesome. Nice, 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 nice one. Come on. What the hell just happened? No. Oh, god damn it. It's not fair, man. It's not fair. I shouldn't have closed this position. Shouldn't have closed it, man. Shouldn't have closed it. Shouldn't have closed it. So, guys, actually, I did something wrong. Uh, oh god damn it! Look at this money flowing, man. I'm not talking about this. Imagine if I was at 24,000 here. My profit was 24,000 at this level. Imagine, from here, from here to here, my profit was at 24,000. Imagine I was still in the position. Perhaps my profit's gonna be somewhere at maybe 45,000 or something. It's insane, man. It's insane. Okay, let's look at the other accounts. It's doing pretty fine. It's doing fine. It's doing great. Let me just close and hope for another day. Close, please. I closed two accounts now. Trades from two accounts on Euro USD. Okay, see guys, I told you, NAS is playing according to our plan. So most like, I'm sorry, German index. Apologies, guys. I keep saying NAS. German index is playing according to our plan. So most likely it is gonna push up after this. Okay. I just moved my stop loss to break even. Do not forget, I advised about that. So I moved my stop loss to break even. So what I'm waiting for now is for price to continue to go back and hit this line again, so I could close 50%. Because after all this wait, I cannot just close out without reaching my at least my initial goal, right? Question: could this be a reversal point? Could this be the reversal point you've been waiting for? Could it be? Maybe it is, because looking at the trend line is pretty very simple. Joining this first lower, or is it this first higher low, second higher low, and the third higher low just hit the level now, and as well as hit our Fibonacci level, numbers level. So what's it gonna be? Is it gonna take us back? Is price going to take us back to entry, or is it going to just respect itself and let us have our profits? I don't know. I don't know really. I do not know really. Guys, if you love Euro USD, just drop a comment. And please follow me on Telegram here. I want you guys all to be there with me when I announce my result from the from the challenge. Hey, join me here on Telegram so that we can announce this result together. Of course, you guys can be part of the journey as well. You guys will get to understand how I trade, my thought process, and everything about me, right? So join, please join, join, join. So I hope everyone have moved stop loss to break even, because that is most important one. Even if we couldn't close out 50%, it makes sense if you move your stop loss at least to break even. It's going to save you a lot of headache. Okay, it's going to save you a lot of headache, guys. Believe me when I say that. Wow, imagine I did not close this position here. I would have made additional money. Never ever think like that. Never ever think like that. Okay? Imagine, and you're going to lose out on everything. It's not the way of life, okay? It's not the way to trade. It's not the way to go. Oh, we could do something, guys. Let's do something, okay? Just to make sure that we're not completely, empty in this trade. So close this position now. Let's look for another entry. Okay. I've closed mine. This is mine here, just to show you. I've closed mine. Okay. This is mine. I've closed mine. Close this position now. Let's look for another entry. When price touches here, we're gonna get in again. Okay. Let's not be greedy. Let's not be greedy or self-righteous. If we're not able to get some other entries, then we call it a day. Come on, I just closed my position and you're going up. This is not good. Not good, not good, not good, not good. Come on, after all this. Wait, this is the most I made on this trade? No. I'm gonna stop trading this German index. It's just wasting time. Make sure while you're watching this, you've joined my Telegram group. It is the most important thing you should do. Okay, it is the most important thing you should do. Join my Telegram group. It is the most important thing you should do. Okay, now this is no longer required here, so I'm going to remove this. At this point, is this still required? Let's see if this line is still required. Is it still required? I'll say perhaps yes, it is still required. Okay, yes, it is still required. Yes, I'm right. It is still required. It is. So let's leave it. This, and what is this line? What is the point again? From here to low. So this is the correction, the corrective wave is going to stop here. And of course, dance around, gonna come drop here, dance around, click on this line, attempt a fake out, close back in, retest, and drop to touch this line. So the trade I'm waiting for now, guys, on Euro USD, I'm waiting for one, either price pulls down all the way to retest this level and then head for this level. Okay, so if it does, I'm going to get in here, okay, and ride it all the way up. I closed that because I was at massive risk of hitting my daily limit on my account, on that account, my daily limit, not my entire account, my daily limit. So I have to close out so that I come in better. Okay, and second, so if price comes up all the way to this level, okay, this retest, if this retest happens, this is going to be my entry with stop loss. You can see the small stop loss we're using, right? We stop loss at this level, and then I'm going to ride it all the way down, okay? I'm not going to wait for it to touch this line because it's going to be stupidity for me to do that because sometimes it doesn't come to fruition, okay? All right. I hope you guys have joined my Telegram. Nobody joined. Come on, guys. Let's meet on Telegram. Okay. So I know Euro USD can be very, can be very naughty sometimes. So, but I expect something to happen for sure. I expect price really. I really, I mean, out of respect for Euro USD, I want price to come down to this level. I want price to come down and touch my PPP dirhams. Okay. I want price to come down and touch my PPP dirhams. When it does, then I'm going to look for a reversal sign. If I see a reversal sign, I'm going to jump in. If I don't see a reversal sign, I'm going to remain outside out. Okay, because if there's no reversal sign here, it means that price is headed for this. So subsequently, if price is actually headed for here, okay, I'm going to look for reversal. If I see a reversal, I'll jump in for price to continue going up. Okay. If I don't see a reversal, then I'm going to keep quiet. Yeah, it makes sense if I take some trades from here to here. That is, but then I like taking reversals these days. I like taking only reversals, not continuation, right? So I'm going to wait for price to hit this line. Then I'm going to wait for reversal. If I see a reversal at this level, even better. Okay, a breakout and retest. This is going to be my entry, stop loss, and take profits all the way. Okay, of course, not without closing some positions at this point. Okay, that's going to be the plan. And price is beginning to respect whatever thing we said. Okay, and look at German index is heading back to our entry. So it means we need to remove this because I've closed my position. Oh, sorry. We need to remove this because I've closed my position and I just like I advised everyone to. And after closing it, we're expecting price to hit here. So if price gets to this level again, then we can look for another position. If it doesn't, we'll call it a day and come back for NYSE open. So just to let you guys know, I also stream during NYSE open. There is Dubai time at 5:15 Dubai time. Okay, so check out and see what 5:15 Dubai time is in your local time. Okay, and not just that, I'm gonna be online today for core retail sales. I'm gonna be online for this news. Okay, I made a mistake on CPI during CPI news a couple of days ago, and I didn't lose. I was in it. I had Euro USD position, sell position, so I caught up to 70% of the move. Up to 70% of that move, I caught it completely. But then the issue is that I was online and I was hoping to help people catch trade on NAS. And because I was not able to close my Euro USD position because my broker, because of some, do I call it slippage issue or whatever, requote, not slippage, because of some requote issue, I wasn't able to close my position. So I got distracted and I missed out on NAS on that day. Otherwise, myself and the team would have made about 278 pips, like complete 278 pips. And guess what? Because I trade a 1 minute time frame, this happened in 1 minute. This swipe happened in 1 minute. So would have made we would have broken history in trading, whereby in 1 minute we made that kind of money, that kind of pips. It's I know some people make it like on regular, but as long as they don't share it, I'm fine. I mean, I'm gonna assume that I'm the first person that did it. What do you think? So do you guys think we should have closed our positions on German index? Let me know what you think. Okay, let me know your thoughts. So while we are waiting for your thoughts, but then it doesn't prevent me to still hope for price to come down here because this is actually what I'm waiting for. So I'm just gonna drop a line there and set some sort of alarm to alert me when price comes to that level because that is actually the level I want price I want to get in at. I want to get in at a cheaper price for to ride it all the way up. So but then my god, I feel so bad right now, guys. Do you guys feel bad as well? I really feel so bad for quitting the trade before time. Yes, my dear. I'm sorry, so sorry, Mr. Persifying. Um, yes, we are trading Nasdaq. We are going to trade Nasdaq at during NYSE Open, and at 4:30 news core retail sales. We are focusing specifically on Euro USD. I want us to focus on Euro USD, just Euro USD during the core retail sales. But then, if I see any good and undeniable opportunity on NAS, for sure we're going to take NAS. Okay, that is it about NAS. That is it about NAS. 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 That is it about NAS. Go ahead and follow me on Telegram, everyone. My question now is: are we right to have closed our German index trade at this level? And my good friend trader Triple FX said, yes, better be safe. You are right, my dear. Yes, it's better to be safe. But in being safe, we have moved our stop loss to break even. So we're not losing nothing. It's just for us to be a little bit of patient, to absorb whatever corrective wave that's coming. After we have absorbed it, then we even, if this level was the level, then we can even add more position scaling and push up. That is the way some people are thinking right now. But on the other way, closing this here give us an opportunity to open another position here and make more money. Okay, so for me, there's no regrets. Just like Peter Trader Triple FS said, yes, it's better to be safe. So I don't have any regrets. If you have regrets, please drop your comments. I want to see your reasons with you. Okay, drop some comments on YouTube, on Twitch, or on Trader View. On Trading View, drop any your notes. Let me find out your logic behind you saying that we shouldn't have taken a position. Because if you look at what we have near here, it most likely seems like price, this is some sort of mini wave, then corrective wave, then another mini wave here to touch our target entry area. Then we can get in and we continue riding price. So we don't have any regrets at all. Okay, if you if you are over trading by taking this trade, I mean taking this sell all the way to here, man, because of just 45 pips, you are risking a whole lot of opportunities. Because for me, trend is bullish, so we don't need to go against the trend. We just have to wait for our opportunity down here. Okay, if you can get it, if you get it, then we can ride it all the way up to the moon. Okay, thank you everyone for joining. So I'm gonna open Euro USD. Oh, sure. Okay, let's look at NAS first. Okay. Let's look at NAS. Oh my God. See? NAS. Okay, Euro is German index as well reversed. Okay. Oh my God. How many pips has it released today after 11 a.m.? How many pips? Oh, 20. This is laughable, guys. This is 20 pips. That's why I don't look at this guy raw at this time. It's just wait. It's just gonna waste your time. Hello, oh my God! My friend here has been commenting here, and I kept quiet. I got busy with other things again. My friend said Euro USD looks bullish. Tested support many times. Yes, yes. And Michel Kwabo said OMG. So, Mitchell, what is OMG? What does that mean? I mean, what's going on with you? Is everything okay? All right. Let's see. Let's see. Wow, it seems. Well, this guy is making me to feel great. Really, it's making me to feel great. Not as if I made a lot of money on German index. Just, oh my God, guys, can you see Euro USD? Dang. I told you guys yesterday that this pair is insane. Like it is insane. If he wants to make a stroke, it's gonna make a clear stroke. You know what I mean? Even levels cannot stop it. You see, this is a very this should be a very strong resistance, right? But then look at the way this guy just stroked above it as though there's nothing here. That's one thing that made me fall in love with Euro USD. I felt if I am a levels guy, I observe, I respect price actions. I form my trading decisions around price actions. So I think Euro USD is good for me. It's gonna give me money. It's gonna make me rich. Why? Because it's A guy that once your analysis is correct, he's gonna just respect it, but he's gonna test you a lot of times. He's gonna test you, like, he's gonna try you out and test you, to see if you know what you're doing. Right? Imagine while I got in, let me tell you guys where I got in. I think I showed everyone already where I got in that position. The position where I made how much was that again? 20. Let's see. Let me open my Telegram group so that we can look at this together. This is the position here. So let's see. This is just this is few minutes ago where I made 26,000, right? So in this position, see where I got in. I got in here. I got in somewhere here. Let's see, where is it? Where is it? This stroke came. Not here. I didn't get in here. I got in here. I think I got in here. After this, a retest came, right? Yeah. A retest came here, right? And I opened multiple positions. I think here or here, man. I've forgotten already. I need to go back to my chart and check. Go in here and price slipped below. Looking at the support, I found out that this is just some sort of retest. Euro USD is testing me as usual to see what I'm going to close out and take losses, right? I didn't take losses. I added positions here. I opened about 50 positions here. When I saw this happening, I added about 100 positions here. And then it started up, down, up, down. When this happened, no, before this happened, I think somewhere here, I added 50 more positions, so a total of 250. And I added more. When this was happening, I kept on adding at random, total of 50, became about 250 positions open, right? So, and look at the move. The move happened, and Viola at this point, it was 24K. 26K at this point, right? Imagine I have left the position. If I left the position up to this point, it would have been not even 48K. If I had left this position up to this point, by now it would have been somewhere around 70K. I mean, specifically 70K profits. Specifically 70K profits. Not total. I mean, 70K profits only. Right. Wow. Yes, guys, I'm right. You see what you're seeing here? This is called reversal pattern. Okay? What you're seeing here is called reversal pattern. Okay? Spot it every time and be careful and wait for break. Wait for closure above, closure below, and then break of that closure. Then you can get into your position. Okay? Even if price goes up now, I don't care. But I just wanted to talk about reversal, and this is what I call reversal. Okay? If it pushes up and keeps going to heaven, I don't care anymore. I've made a point. Okay? So let's look at the previous date of release of this news, core retail sales. Was actually on August 17th. Okay, so let's please, trading view, take me to August 17th at 4:30 p.m. Dubai time. Are we there? Come on, trading view cannot go there in 1 minute. Come on, why is this happening? Again, go. Okay, this is it. See, it's showing me the candle, which is very beautiful. Nothing. Nothing. Let's confirm the time, please, because this is so laughable. I feel like throwing up on the floor now while laughing. I feel like falling to the ground and rolling up and down just to laugh at this craziness here. The time was actually 4:30. What actually moved price on that day was news, FOMC news. What moved price later that day was, see, this is 4:30. You can see clearly. I mean, the trading view gave us that, right? So after a couple of times at 10, wait. Oh, guys, please apologies. Okay, where we should be let's correct this with trading view. Okay, trading view, please give us 16:30. Thank you. Nice. Let's see. Let's take a good look. All right. Let's see. 17:30. 1630. So can I say something, guys? Still very laughable. Nothing. Core retail says that I know normally moves markets. I mean, to a certain extent, not the way CPI and what is it called? NFP moves markets, right? But then look at this. Is it 17th? Are we sure it's 17th? Yeah, it's 17th, man. So nothing. There is no move on NAS, and hence NAS does not have any move. We don't need to take Euro USD. We don't need to check any other currency pair or any other assets, right? NAS should have moved because NAS simply means NDX. NAS, the symbol Nasdaq, the symbol for NAS normally on with brokers is something like NDQ USD. Okay, some brokers call NAS this NDS USD. So if this USD here does not move NAS here, right? There's no other currency pair that is moved. I'm pretty sure about it. Okay. So let's not waste time doing another thing. What actually moved this market was what is this time? 22, which is 10 p.m. right? 10 p.m. is this FOMC. Sorry. This FOMC. See, 10 p.m. FOMC. As a result of this FOMC, see, 10 p.m. 22. So price reacted. See this? So that is it. That's all I have for you guys today. Let's see. Okay, I wasn't wrong after all. German index is pretty much on fire. It's coming to our level. So because German index is acting towards our plan, is dancing Alanta towards our plan. Sorry guys. I shouldn't have said that. Sorry. Okay. So actually the new level is this. So nice, nice, nice. All right. Okay. Come on, guys. What the hell is happening here? This is where I'm looking for, okay? This is where I'm waiting for price to, to pierce to, to romance. I'm waiting for price to romance PPPDirhams, which is my Telegram channel name. So if you have not joined me, please go ahead and join me right now. It's necessary that you join me now to get updates on how I'm converting $1,000 to $1 million in a couple of weeks. It's all there on my Telegram channel. I'm not giving any details on YouTube or nothing or trading view. It's not necessary. If you want to see details on this on how I'm doing that and why I'm doing that, go ahead and join me on Telegram group. Okay. Yeah, and the name is PPPDirhams. Okay. Thank you very much. So I'm going to close NAS now because can I tell you something? Since German index started moving, and released up to 60 more than 60 pips. NAS has just released only 20 pips, telling you that you shouldn't be wasting your time on NAS by this time. Okay, so news or no news today, or just I'm not sure. I'm not reading news today, guys. It doesn't have any impact. Special apologies and thank you for enduring that. So it should have impact, but last month does not have impact. So we shouldn't be here wasting our time for any reason. So I'm gonna see everyone at NYSE open. Okay. Oh come on, German index, DAX index, DAX index. Why are you doing this to me, darling? So, guys, most important thing today is that we got in. We got in. Where did we get in again? We got in here, right? I think. Where did you get in, guys? Okay, I think we got in. I forgot already. So total. Oh, sorry, guys. Apologies. I really got confused. So you see, price went back to our 60p. We would have closed. Had it been we didn't close this position here, perhaps we would have closed completely like 100% at 60p since we don't see any movement, we don't see any volume, no momentum. And to couple it, to crown it, or we have something that looks like your traditional double top here. So to be buying now on German index is too risky because price is going to fall. If this it doesn't find support here, it's going to fall to find support on this trend line. Okay, that is all I have to say. I believe I'm going to see each and every one of you during my live streaming on NYSC Open, NYSE Open. Okay, bye bye guys, and thank you for streaming.